keep asking me, Baptista, how did you grow to 10,000 followers in one account and 6,000 plus and the other in just 46 days? Today, I'm going to share with you exactly what I did. No secret formula, just a real habit you can copy. So if by now you've not still followed me, click on that plus button and follow me. Save this to your favorite, repost it and comment. Don't hide anything and I will do that immediately. So if you're new on TikTok, my name is Baptista. I'm an automation specialist. I'm a personal branding coach and an IT support engineer. So, TikTok can be confusing at the beginning, but you can get it right once you have decided. So the first thing first is mindset. Yeah, you might want to tell yourself, this is what I want to achieve because of course, if you don't believe that you can achieve it, it's difficult for you. So when I started new on TikTok, I said to myself, if others could grow here, I too can. And that mindset changed how I show up here. The second thing is to create time into it. You have to be intentional with your time. Yeah, when I started, I was literally everywhere. I spent minimum of 4 hours. Yes, I was on every live and that. And immediately TikTok gave me access. Immediately I got to my 1,000 followers and TikTok asked me to go live. I spent minimum on my live session 4 hours. Sometimes I spent 6 hours, 8 hours, and that. So that was it for me. And the third one is you have to be consistent. Yes, consistency is it for you. You have to set a target for yourself how many followers you want to achieve each day you come live. I had that target and that was why I was literally everywhere. Yeah, I spent a little because sometimes too you need to spend, but you can also grow without even spending a dime because there are people out there who didn't even give any gift. But I will encourage you, if you can afford it, please gift people because that is another form of support. That is another form of building friendship because you see, sometimes when you gift they easily bring you up for the bus for you to grow faster. But if you don't have a heart in your one coin, I don't know, but I don't know about you, so I wouldn't go deeper into that. But you have to be active. And the fourth tip is you have to give. Don't always be on the receiving end. When I mean gift, I'm not talking about gifting coin or that. I'm talking about you grabbing, getting people first. You see a lot of persons, they come to your life, they are shouting in the comment section, connect with me, follow me, grab, mute, 444 999, and they don't want to, and they don't end up connecting back. So you want more followers. Why don't you change the strategy? Start connecting first. Give people benefit of that. 7 days. After 7 days, they don't get you back. You can disconnect with them. But again, if you're getting value from somebody, I hope you know you don't need to disconnect with that person even if they don't connect back because of course you're learning from them. And again, the next one you want to consider is like on my live sessions, I come up with topics, mentality, career, financial responsibility in a home, joint account, and that. I come up with topics that real people care about. I make my session interactive where people get to share their views, their opinion, and that has really helped them. It makes my life uh, very, very interactive. And you see people genuinely connecting with me because, of course, we discuss every day on my live session how we can shape ourselves to be a better version of ourselves and our children coming. Another tip I want to also give you out there is building community. Nurture your relationship. It's not just about connecting with people, it's about you trying to nurture them. How do you nurture them? You nurture them by connecting with them, by supporting them on their content. You see a lot of persons, they go there, they like your content, they like 20 content within 60 seconds. That's spamming. You're spamming them and you're not supporting them. You want to support people, you want to engage the right way by watching the video from beginning to the end, saving it to your favorite, reposting it, and commenting, not using emojis. Okay, that's real support. If you're consistently doing this, of course, people want to reciprocate that favor genuinely without any hard feeling because they see it that you want to support, and that's how you nurture real relationship. See, it is very, very easy to grow here, but you have to change your mindset and say to yourself that you can and you see yourself achieving it. You can do more here. See, you want to change that mindset and get it right this time. Consider this checklist. First, change your mindset to create time for TikTok. Three, support people, and create a community, build community. At a point, I had to create a community for myself, like the House of Love and Growth. where which is outside. It could be on any social media platform or an email list where you can nurture your following, check up on them, you support them, and you all achieve. See, I didn't use any special magic. I was just real there, here and there, supporting each other's, and they got me back. If you try this within the next 30 to 60 days, you're going to see a change for yourself. Don't forget again, follow me, save this to your favorites. And if you really want me to guide you or share with you my one-on-one daily routine on how I do it, just comment it in the comment section and I will bring that up in my next video. I love you always.